Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone and welcome to my presentation. First of all, let me thank you all for coming here today. For those of you who don't know me already, my name is Rani Amanda and I am responsible for narasumber. As you can see on the screen, your topic today is discussing the potential of avocado leaf extract as an anti-cholesterol agent. Today, journal article read by Lilik Zubaidatul Mukawiyah and Ratna Kumaladewi from Sayyid Ali Rahmatullah Tulangagung. Today topic is of particular interest to those of you who don't understand the potential of avocado leaf extract as an anti-cholesterol agent. We can break this area down into the following fields: abstract, introduction, method, result and discussion, and conclusion. First of all, I would like to give you an overview of each drug, the abstract. I will be handing out copies of the slides at the end of my talk. If you have any question, feel free to interrupt me at any time. Abstract. Cholesterol is a complex compound that is needed by the body for regulate chemical process in the body. However, if the cholesterol level is deep, very high, blood places will the dangers for the body and cause hypercholesterolemia. Hypercholesterolemia is a condition where the amount cholesterol in the body exceeds normal limits, which will have an impact on coronary heart disease. Hypercholesterolemia can be treated by reducing cholesterol levels in the blood. One way to lower blood cholesterol level by consuming extra leaf avocado. The purpose of this research is to determine the extra benefits of leaf avocado to lower cholesterol levels in the blood. Method: the implementation used to achieve the objective is research using library research in collecting data and information related issues which are then processed and present descriptively in from discussion. Source of data and information were obtained from related journal with cholesterol and avocado published online. Result of activities: literally study of effort to maintain stable cholesterol level in the blood by consuming avocado leaf extract as well and for prevent hypercholesterolemia, giving avocado leaf extract with different concentration can affect different in level cholesterol in the blood. So that concentration variation are slightly able to reduce cholesterol level in the blood. In this part of my presentation, I want to talk about an introduction to potential of avocado leaf as an anti-cholesterol agent. Introduction. Cholesterol is one part of fat or lipid, but both are different substances. Cholesterol is a complex fat compound. In part, most of the cholesterol in the body is produced by the body itself, and the liver is the organ the biggest contributor to cholesterol. In the body, cholesterol can also obtained from outside the body, normally through animal foods such as meat, poultry, fish, milk, and margarine. Cholesterol is very important for humans. In certain amount of cholesterol needed by the body to carry out metabolic process in the body as ingredients, forming cell walls, producing bile acid to emulsified fats. However, increases cholesterol turns dangerous and source of disease caused by cholesterol can happen to anyone. Various groups. Continue to the next slide. Method. This research uses a type of research in the form of a library study research. Literature studies are related to theoretical studies, and some references are not will be separate from scientific literature. The report is prepared with the principle of simplicity so that it is easy to understand the effect. Avocado leaf extract as an anti-cholesterol source of information data obtained from journal related to anti-cholesterol and avocado leaf extract published online. Continue to the next slide. Result and discussion. The use of natural ingredients in the form of herbal plants that can cure disease while repairing damaged body tissue. Herbal medicines have side effects relatively few and can cultivated. Avocado is one of the herbal plants. Lower blood cholesterol levels, therefore it needs to be determined. Production of anti-cholesterol drug without side effect. One alternative is to using natural medicines found in plants. Traditional medicine exploit biodiversity The potential of avocado leaves is quite large and is widely known in the community as a plant. Fruit, flavorings, and potions avocado leaves have been consumed by people since ancient times. Therefore, avocado is often used as a supplement in alternative medicine as a replacement for relatively expensive and lifelong antihypertensive drug. Avocado is plant that has medicinal properties that part available from the avocado tree are edible, flesh, leaf, and seeds as drug. Continue to the next slide. Is example of avocado leaf extract. Continue to the next slide. Conclusion: avocado leaf extract or Persea americana meal contains many chemical compounds, useful ones such as flavonoids, saponins, tannins, and alkaloids to reduce level cholesterol. Avocado are also processed into avocado oil. This oil contain various bioactive ingredients such as sterol, unsaturated fatty acid, vitamins, and antioxidants. Supplements with avocado oil can reduce triglyceride level to normal, giving a 10% concentration of avocado leaf extract to hypercholesterolemia. Sufferance is effect to reduce cholesterol level in the blood. At the same time, antioxidant will increase good cholesterol or HDL, which can prevent coronary heart disease. And finally, there are part of speech. Noun: tree, pohon. Fruit, buah. Leaf, daun. Blood, darah. Human, manusia. Kolesterol. Medicine, obat. Pronoun, them, kalian. Which, yang. We, kami. This, ini. As, kita. Those, itu. Next, verb. Use, menggunakan. Make, membuat. Find, menemukan. Give, memberi. Know, tahu. Can, bisa. Would, akan. Adverb: just, hanya, or baru saja. Here, di sini. Usually, biasanya. Sometimes, kadang-kadang. Where, di mana. Next, adjective: important, penting. Easy, mudah. Beneficial, bermanfaat. Good, baik. Green, hijau. Conjunction: after, setelah. As, sebagai. Because, karena. Before, sebelum. How, bagaimana. So that, sehingga. That, itu. Whereas, sedangkan. While, ketika. Okay, I hope you will have gained an insight into the potential of avocado leaf extract as an anti-cholesterol agent. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.